Hello and welcome back to a Friday Show and Tell. Today's video is going to be a fairly quick video. A few weeks back we talked about door stops on regular door hinges and a way to prevent that door stop from changing its setting. We used thread locker. I want to report that the thread locker has held up very well, and that screw setting on those door stops is extremely tight. So today we're talking about cabinet hinges in the kitchen. Kind of a similar situation where the cabinet is up against a wall. So the doorknob or the cabinet knob hits against the wall and creates a dent in the drywall. So since the hinge is different, we've got to find a different solution. Now I found these cables on Amazon, made in the USA, very easy to use and interpret instructions on where to drill and how to measure and all that, but it's just a stainless steel cable. I think it's got a little bit of plastic coating on it that you screw into the door and screw into the frame, and that just prevents that door from opening all the way or over opening and hitting against the wall. Thanks for joining. If you enjoyed today's show and tell, please press the like button. If you want to see more content from the channel, please subscribe. And have a great weekend.